React was created in 2013 to simplify building UIs by breaking them into reusable components, changing the way developers create dynamic and interactive web applications. But why learn React? The React is the most widely used framework in the world. And another reason is that for mobile applications, if you know React, you also know that the React Native, which lets you build high performance iOS and the Android application with the same React knowledge. So basically, if you can build in React Native, so you can build one mobile applications which you can deploy both to iOS and Android at the same time. Another reason is that the component-based architecture, so we write modular, reusable, and testable UI code. And another reason is that the ecosystem and tools. For example, there are a lot of tools that are built on the top of the React, which can be used in the applications, projects, and so on. For example, React Router, Redux, and Next.js, and more for routing, state, and etc.